Welcome to the Lecturer Comedy TV, a channel with entertainment that will entertain you always. Thanks for watching. Please watch to the end. View, share, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you very much.
I see nobody have private jet to sell.
Private jets?
Yes.
How much?
Just 100,000 naira.
100,000 naira for private jet?
Yes, now. And this private jet, now you buy urine with it.
My urine?
Yes.
Where I won't get in my urine?
If you piss inside now, this private jet, you know they laugh for ground for sky they remain.
Oh,
For sky, that's I want
Oh boy, the mumu well. I go tell this guy say the private jets, you get private jet where they sell 100,000 naira. Private jet where they sell from 500 billion and above.
We don't do promo now.
Which kind of nonsense and stupid promo is that one? And secondly, say the private jet when him fly, he know the land. This guy him be angel, he go live forever, now he go take manage come down. You know too much. Come and get out from this place.
Mr. Edna, we not going to form my business, so here not be your country, we pack your country.
I'm not too much.
The Lecturer Comedy TV. You just click that bell, bring, and you just click the other notification, king. Immediately you just click all those things. Everything will be shown. Just the Lecturer Comedy TV. Have you not heard of the Lecturer Comedy TV? Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? Are you serious? Have you shared to your friends? Are you serious? Wow, okay. When you just share, we need subscribers. 1 million subscribers for the first starting. Do you understand? God bless you as you do so.
Subscribe to the Lecturer Comedy
Oh my God. TV, my God. You know the matter.